Are you looking for an expert for transfer, migrate, or backup your WordPress website? Then, you are at the right place. Hello, my name is Cameron, and I have over 5+ years of experience as a web developer. I will perform website migration, backup, and transfer WordPress to a new domain and hosting. What do I offer? Backup WordPress website. Transfer WordPress to a new host. Transfer WordPress from subdomain to root domain. Migrate multiple websites from different hosting accounts to one host, and much more. What do I need to complete your order? WordPress admin login details. Hosting panel access. Why choose me? Timely delivery and quality work. No downtime and missing content. So what are you waiting for? Contact for more details.